Ask out. Invite someone on a date. He finally asked her out for coffee. She was nervous when he asked her out to the movies. Go out. Be in a romantic relationship. They've been going out for 2 years. Is she still going out with Mark? Hit it off. Have an instant connection. We met at a party and hit it off immediately. They hit it off so well that they talked all night. Pick up. Successfully flirt with or attract someone. He tried to pick her up at the bar with a cheesy pickup line. She picked him up at the gym and got his number. Fall for. Develop strong feelings for someone. She fell for him after their first date. He didn't expect to fall for her so quickly. Cheat on. Be unfaithful in a relationship. He cheated on her with her best friend. If you cheat on me, it's over. Make up. Reconcile after an argument. They fought but made up the next day. After their big fight, they made up with a kiss. Break up. End a romantic relationship. She broke up with him because he was too clingy. They broke up last month but still talk sometimes. Get back together. Restart a relationship after a breakup. They got back together after 6 months apart. Do you think exes should get back together? Drift apart. Slowly lose connection. After college, they drifted apart and stopped dating. We used to be close, but we've drifted apart over time. Hook up. Have a casual physical relationship. They hooked up at the party but never dated. He didn't want a relationship just to hook up. Mess around. Be involved casually. He's been messing around with his coworker. They're not serious, they're just messing around. Let on. Give someone false romantic hope. She led him on but never wanted a relationship. Don't lead people on if you're not interested. Stand up. Fail to show up for a date. He stood her up and didn't even text. Being stood up on a first date is so embarrassing. Dump. End a relationship abruptly. She dumped him because he was too jealous. He got dumped via text. How cruel. Settle down. Commit to a long-term relationship. After years of dating, they finally settled down. He's not ready to settle down yet. String along. Keep someone interested without commitment. He's just stringing her along until someone better comes. Don't let him string you along, you deserve better. Patch up. Fix a relationship after problems. They had a rough patch but managed to patch things up. Can their relationship be patched up after the cheating? Chase after. Pursue someone. Romantically. He's always chasing after the wrong people. She got tired of chasing after him and moved on. Grow apart. Become less close over time. They were happy at first but grew apart over the years. Sometimes couples just grow apart naturally.